Konnichiwa from Osaka, Japan. My name is Graham and I'm from the channel Little Dreamers at Home. Welcome back everyone. Well, Valentine's Day is just around the corner. Have you thought about what you're going to do for Valentine's Day? Make some chocolate? Make a cookie? Make a cake? I have a solution. How about you and I make a Valentine's Day card? I have two here, two samples. Can you see? Before we make these cards though, you need to go to the Facebook page and download this template. And you can find that in the descriptions. There's a link down there. Just click on it. Download this one. Also, you can download these. All of these pretty little pictures that you can use for your Valentine's Day card. Once you download those, then follow the directions and you'll have a very nice Valentine's Day card to give to someone very special to you. Okay, what you'll need to make the Valentine's Day card is some paper from the dollar store, a marker, glue, a pair of scissors, some string, and a ruler. And that's it. Are you ready? Let's go! go, everyone. Did you have fun making your Valentine's Day card? And what color did you use? And what decorations did you use to decorate your card with? Well, now I have to figure out who am I going to give my card to? Most importantly, who are you going to give your card to? Well, time for me to go. Everyone, thank you very much. I hope you have a nice Valentine's Day. Until next time, everyone, goodbye.